Hi everyone, Keith Narkenberg Farms. So over the past week or so, I've been down with the crud, which brings me to what I really want to talk to you about today, is what you can actually do on your farm when you're down and sick, and what you can't do on your farm. So yes, this is going to be all about food safety and how to work on your farm when you're sick, and what to do and what not to do. So let me show you. The first thing you really need to consider when you're sick and running a produce farm like this is, number one, don't get other people sick. Most important thing. If an employee's sick, I always tell them to stay home. Don't even bother coming in. I know you can work, but we don't need the rest of the team getting sick. So that's the first thing. Stay away from the other team members on the farm so you don't get them sick. One person gets sick, they can take down the whole entire crew, and then everybody's out for a week. I got it. I'm pretty much over it, but I've also had two other team members go down this week, not by me thankfully, because the timeline doesn't quite match up right of when I last saw them, but it's out there, so now they're sick. The next one is the food safety aspect. According to food safety guidelines, you cannot harvest, touch, process, handle finished or harvested produce when you have an illness. The reason for that is the majority of the stuff we grow is consumed raw. You get a virus or a cold onto it, your consumer is going to ingest that virus or cold virus and then can get sick from it. So that's very, very important. I can't do anything out here that involves harvesting, processing. This includes both packing, washing, handling of my finished produce. Very, very important. You don't want to get other people sick because you're sick, and that's why it's a food safety guideline that you should always follow on your farm. And also don't forget, narkenbergfarms.com, scroll down to the bottom, digital tools and training, got the Martin Garden Farm School down there, our side openers, all the cool stuff, spreadsheets, custom printed jang rollers. Also in the show notes, I got all my affiliate links, Seed Time, Grow Organics, which is sporting their hat right here, and there's a 20% off discount code. Follow the link, use the code, go check it out. So then you might be asking yourself, what can I do? You can plant, direct seed, running the Jang seeder, or like what needs to be done all along the side here, cultivate and weed. But honestly, when you don't feel good, who wants to do any cultivation and weeding anyways? The most important thing you should be doing is just resting and trying to get yourself better as quickly as possible. Now I do have a team out here so the farm can keep running. We can continue to have harvesting, planting, post-harvest processing, farmers market selling without me out here. But I do the majority of the planning, setting out, getting things going, making sure everything's on time, the whole farm management part of the process. So when I'm down, it just kind of runs, but it still runs, and that's all that matters. Another very important thing is when you don't feel good, the last thing you want to do is come out and mess with side curtains, door openers, greenhouses, watering, and that's where the automation aspect of the farm is very, very important. I don't have to come out here and open this up when it gets hot. I actually have it closed because it's super windy if you can't hear. I don't have to worry about irrigating because I have timers on everything that irrigate for me. Even in my prop house, we have an irrigation timer to automatically water our starts, so I don't have to worry about it. The only part of the process I have to do is come out, remove them from the germination chamber, take them out to the prop house. Very simple, easy to do. Come out in between naps or what have you while you're down with an illness. So it's very important to have things set up to where they will run without you. Now if it's just you, you just gotta suffer through it and do it. You just can't do the things I listed before, simply because you don't want to get other people sick. You know, cold and flu for younger people is not the end of the world. Majority of our clients are 60 and older. We don't want to get them sick. We don't want to risk actually killing somebody because we're just too stubborn and just had to go out and work. So keep it short, keep it simple. We'll leave it there. As always, hope y'all liked what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day. and I'm gonna go close everything down because it is windy as heck, and I believe we have a thunderstorm moving in, tornado watch right now, so enjoy.